What is the Green Human Resources Management? Nepali English explain it. Green Human Resources Management (HRM) focuses on integrating environmental sustainability into HR practices. This approach involves aligning HR strategies with an organization's commitment to environmental sustainability, promoting environmentally friendly practices among employees, and incorporating environmental considerations into HR policies and procedures. Green Human Resource Management (HRM) is an approach that integrates environmental considerations into human resource management. It involves designing HR policies and practices that promote sustainability, reduce the organization's environmental impact, and enhance environmental performance. This includes initiatives such as green recruitment, which involves selecting candidates who are environmentally conscious or have skills relevant to sustainable practices, green training and development programs to enhance employees' environmental awareness and skills, and green performance management systems that evaluate and reward employees based on their contribution to sustainability goals. HRM also involves creating a culture of environmental responsibility within the organization, where employees are encouraged to adopt sustainable practices both at work and in their personal lives. Overall, HRM aims to align HR practices with environmental goals, thereby contributing to the organization's overall sustainability strategy. Process of Human Resources Management. Find out its process.
Implementing Green Human Resource Management (HRM) involves integrating environmental sustainability principles into HR practices. Here are 12 key steps in the implementation process. 1. Commitment from top management. Senior leaders need to champion HRM and allocate resources for its implementation. 2. Establishing a Green HRM team. Form a dedicated team responsible for developing and implementing HRM initiatives. 3. Environmental policy development. Develop a policy that outlines the organization's commitment to environmental sustainability. 4. Green job analysis. Identify and assess the environmental impact of each job role within the organization. 5. Green recruitment and selection. Incorporate environmental criteria into the recruitment and selection process, such as assessing candidates' environmental awareness and commitment. 6. Green training and development. Provide training programs to enhance employees' environmental knowledge and skills. 7. Performance management. Develop performance metrics that include environmental goals and provide feedback on environmental performance. 8. Green compensation and benefits. Introduce incentives for environmentally friendly behaviors and performance. 9. Employee engagement. Engage employees in environmental initiatives through communication, participation, and recognition. 10. Green workplace design. Redesign the workplace to be more environmentally friendly, including energy-efficient lighting and recycling facilities. 11. Green supply chain management. Collaborate with suppliers to reduce the environmental impact of the supply chain. 12. Monitoring and evaluation. Continuously monitor and evaluate the effectiveness of HRM initiatives and make improvements as necessary. Implementing HRM requires a comprehensive approach that involves all levels of the organization and integrates environmental sustainability into HR practices.
What is the best theory Green Human Resources Management? Explain it.
Here are some key principles and practices associated with HRM. 1. Recruitment and selection. Hiring individuals who are environmentally conscious or have relevant skills and knowledge related to sustainability. 2. Training and development. Providing training on environmental issues, sustainable practices, and ways to reduce environmental impact. 3. Performance management. Setting environmental goals and evaluating employees based on their contribution to sustainability efforts. 4. Compensation and rewards. Recognizing and rewarding employees for their green initiatives and achievements in sustainability. 5. Employee engagement. involving employees in green teams or committees to promote environmental initiatives and gather ideas for improvement. 6. Health and safety, ensuring a safe and healthy work environment that also minimizes environmental impact. 7. Workplace flexibility, offering flexible work arrangements such as telecommuting to reduce carbon footprint from commuting. 8. Supply chain management, collaborating with suppliers to promote sustainable practices and reduce the environmental impact of the supply chain. 9. Corporate social responsibility, CSR, integrating environmental concerns into the organization's CSR initiatives. 10. Environmental reporting, communicating transparently about the organization's environmental performance and initiatives. HRM is seen as a proactive approach to sustainability, as it involves not only compliance with environmental regulations, but also a commitment to continuous improvement and innovation in environmental practices.
Explain the importance features of green human resources management.
Green Human Resource Management, GHRM, is an approach that integrates environmental considerations into HR practices. Here are some key features. 1. Environmental awareness. GHRM involves promoting environmental awareness among employees, encouraging them to adopt eco-friendly practices both at work and in their personal lives. 2. Green recruitment and selection. GHRM focuses on hiring candidates who are environmentally conscious and align with the organization's sustainability goals. 3. Training and development. GHRM includes training programs to educate employees about environmental issues and ways to reduce their environmental impact. 4. Performance management. GHRM integrates environmental goals and targets into employee performance evaluations, encouraging them to contribute to the organization's sustainability efforts. 5. Compensation and rewards. GHRM may include incentives for employees who actively participate in environmental initiatives or achieve sustainability targets. 6. Employee involvement. GHRM encourages employee participation in decision-making processes related to environmental sustainability, fostering a sense of ownership and commitment. 7. Green workplace practices. GHRM promotes the adoption of green practices in the workplace, such as energy conservation, waste reduction, and recycling. 8. Stakeholder engagement. GHRM involves engaging with stakeholders, including employees, customers, and the community, to promote environmental sustainability and responsibility. 9. Compliance and reporting. GHRM ensures that the organization complies with environmental regulations and standards and provides transparent reporting on its environmental performance. 10. Continuous improvement. GHRM focuses on continuously improving environmental performance through regular review, evaluation, and adjustment of HR practices and policies. Method of Green Human Resources Management.
Green Human Resource Management, GHRM, refers to the practices that focus on sustainability, social responsibility, and environmental concerns within the HRM framework. Here are some key methods and strategies used in GHRM. 1. Recruitment and selection. GHRM emphasizes hiring candidates who align with the organization's sustainability goals. This could involve seeking individuals with a strong environmental ethic or experience in sustainable practices. 2. Training and development. GHRM includes training programs that educate employees about environmental issues and sustainability practices. This can help create a culture of sustainability within the organization. 3. Performance management. GHRM can incorporate sustainability goals into employees' performance objectives. This encourages employees to contribute to the organization's sustainability efforts. 4. Compensation and benefits. GHRM may include incentives for employees who contribute to sustainability goals, such as bonuses for reducing waste or using sustainable resources. 5. Employee engagement. GHRM seeks to engage employees in sustainability initiatives, encouraging them to participate in environmental activities both at work and in their personal lives. 6. Health and safety. GHRM promotes a safe and healthy work environment, which includes minimizing exposure to hazardous substances and promoting employee well-being. 7. Supplier relations. GHRM involves working with suppliers who adhere to sustainable practices, ensuring that the organization's supply chain is environmentally responsible. 8. Community relations. GHRM includes initiatives that benefit the community and environment, such as volunteering for environmental causes or supporting local sustainable businesses. These methods help organizations integrate sustainability into their HR practices, contributing to a more environmentally responsible and socially conscious business model. What is the Green Human Resources Management goals?
Green Human Resource Management, GHRM, aims to integrate environmental sustainability into HR practices and strategies. The goals of GHRM include 1. Environmental awareness. Increase awareness among employees about environmental issues and the organization's commitment to sustainability. 2. Resource efficiency. Promote the efficient use of resources within the organization, such as reducing paper waste, energy consumption, and water usage. 3. Green training and development. Provide training and development programs that focus on environmental sustainability and encourage employees to adopt eco-friendly practices both at work and in their personal lives. 4. Green recruitment and selection. Integrate environmental considerations into the recruitment and selection process, such as hiring individuals with a passion for sustainability or experience in green industries. 5. Green performance management. Develop performance management systems that include environmental goals and metrics, encouraging employees to contribute to sustainability efforts. 6. Employee engagement. Engage employees in sustainability initiatives and encourage them to participate in green activities both at work and in the community. 7. Partnerships and collaboration. Collaborate with external partners, such as suppliers and customers, to promote environmental sustainability throughout the supply chain. 8. Continuous improvement. Continuously review and improve GHRM practices to ensure they align with the organization's environmental goals and objectives.
Challenges of Green Human Resource Management. Green Human Resource Management (GHRM) faces several challenges, including 1. Limited awareness and understanding. Many organizations lack awareness and understanding of the importance and benefits of GHRM, leading to resistance and slow adoption. 2. Cost considerations. Implementing environmentally friendly practices can be expensive initially, which may deter some organizations, especially smaller ones, from fully embracing GHRM. 3. Lack of expertise. GHRM requires specialized knowledge and skills that HR professionals may not possess. Training and development in this area can be lacking. 4. Resistance to change. Like any organizational change, implementing GHRM practices can face resistance from employees and management who prefer traditional approaches. 5. Measuring impact. It can be challenging to accurately measure the impact of GHRM initiatives on environmental performance, making it difficult to justify investments in these practices. 6. Legal and regulatory compliance. Keeping up with evolving environmental laws and regulations adds complexity to GHRM practices. 7. Supply chain management. Ensuring environmentally friendly practices throughout the supply chain can be challenging, especially when dealing with suppliers who may not prioritize sustainability. 8. Balancing competing priorities. GHRM needs to be integrated with other HR functions and business goals, which can sometimes lead to conflicts in priorities. 9. Globalization. Managing green practices across borders and in different regulatory environments can be complex and requires a nuanced approach. 10. Employee engagement. Building a culture of sustainability and getting employees to actively participate in green initiatives can be challenging. Addressing these challenges requires commitment, resources, and a holistic approach that integrates environmental concerns into HR practices at all levels of the organization.